Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm currently in the car. I'm about to head to my first ever acupuncture appointment and I'm very excited. I think it was 2 videos ago now where I talked about my fall kind of reset, some new things I'm doing for my self-care, some new goals that I have, and one of those things is doing kind of like a more special treatment for myself once a week. I've really been loving to get a massage. I think that's one of my favorites so far in terms of these little treatments, but I also really want to try acupuncture and I'm just generally so curious about it. I want to know, like, how does it feel with the needles? Do you feel any tingling? Like, what's the sensation afterwards? So I just want to give it a try and I will share with you guys how I feel. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film in there, but I will see, and if not, then I'll just tell you guys about it afterwards. Okay, I'm back home. It's a few hours later and I feel really good. Definitely a very interesting and very different kind of experience or treatment. It was not painful. That was something that I was a little concerned about. I did feel like a little pinch when the needle went in, but nothing terrible at all. It did feel a little weird in my legs. So he put 2 needles each in my kind of like shin area, which felt very, very weird. It was kind of like a dull pain, and then he did 2 in my wrist and 1 here between my brows, and he basically said that that forms kind of this energy balance or like circle or gate within your body, and once he puts the needles in, it takes a few minutes and then you literally lay there for like 20 to 30 minutes, and I think that's where most of the benefits actually come from. It's just that resting, and then I think the needles definitely intensify everything. I did feel a little tingling. He did say that the effects will start to come over the next few days and after the treatment as well, so I'm going to pay attention to that over the next few days and see if I notice anything different. But overall, really great experience. I love to try different things like this, and I definitely think it's a lot about finding what works for you. There are so many different things that you can do when it comes to these kinds of treatments. Massages for me are always like so amazing. That's going to be my one for next week, so I'm very excited for that. But let me know if you guys have ever tried acupuncture or what your kind of favorite treatment is when it comes to like exterior self-care. Let me know down below in the comments if there's anything that you love to do, like a treatment, acupuncture, massage, chiropractor, anything like that. Let me know down below in the comments. gotten. I feel like I'm drinking probably a liter of hot tea a day. This is like my third, I think, my third tea for today. But yeah, it is nice. Like, it feels very cozy at home, and I look out and I see the leaves changing colors and slowly falling. Yeah, I always find this time of year really, really nice and like cozy. But yeah, I had a really nice morning. I've been really into my morning routine lately, trying a few different things with my meditation, trying a few different techniques. I also did a little Pilates that you guys saw, and then I had a walk outside. The weather's been really great this whole week, and the sun is out today, so I definitely wanted to get outside. It is also the end of the week, and I love to do like a little quick clean of the apartment this time of the week. A lot of you guys actually ask what my kind of cleaning routine is. We do have an amazing cleaning lady that comes once a week, and it's been the best investment ever. So she does like a full clean of the apartment at the beginning of the week, and then at the end of the week I'll do a quick kind of sweep through the apartment. I'll do a little bit of vacuum cleaning the surfaces of our tables, our desk here in the kitchen, a little bit in the bathroom, just to kind of freshen it up a little bit before the weekend. And I've been looking for the longest time for cleaning products that don't have a lot of harmful ingredients, and I did find some, but they just weren't as effective as the ones that I've used in the past, so I always kept going back to those. However, I recently discovered a brand called Blueland, and their cleaning products are incredible. And what's really exciting is that they're not only clean, but they're also very sustainable. So these are what the bottles look like, by the way. They are so beautiful as well. But what's really cool about these cleaning products is the way that you actually make the solution and how it's shipped to you. So you get these little sachets with a tablet inside, and you fill your bottle with warm water, and these are called their forever bottles. So these are reusable, and they're really, really nice quality. They're made from acrylic, so they're very beautiful, and I love the colors of them as well. So each color is for a different cleaning purpose. The blue one is the glass and mirror, the pink is the bathroom cleaner, and then the yellow is the multi-surface. So how it works is you fill your forever bottle with warm or hot water, and then you just pop in the tab, and it starts to kind of fizz and dissolve. You leave the nozzle off during this process. It takes a few minutes, and then you have your cleaning product. It is so cool, and this makes it so sustainable and so much better for the environment, since there are no single plastics being used. You can use this bottle over and over and over, and also the little tabs that you get, you're basically cutting out the water from the cleaning products that you would normally be paying for in the store. And water is always the primary ingredient in all cleaning products, and they take up a lot of weight, of course, and space. So simply taking the water out of the equation, it becomes so much more sustainable, and I think this idea is just so genius. I'm genuinely so happy that I came across these products, and they are created without any harmful ingredients. They are clean formulas, but they're actually very effective, and they perform really, really well. They're made without ingredients such as ammonia, VOC, soy, nut, chlorine bleach, and parabens. And of course, that makes it so much better for our health, especially if you have little ones. They do offer their products in kits, and I got the Clean Essentials kit, which comes with these 4 forever bottles and 4 refills: the hand soap, the bathroom cleaner, the mirror and glass, and the multi-surface as well. And when you get a kit, you automatically save 20%. Plus, just for my audience, they have offered an additional 15% off. There will be a link down below. You click on that, and it will automatically get you an additional 15% off the site. So yeah, I would highly recommend checking them out. They're also just so beautiful and very like aesthetically pleasing. The shapes of the bottles, the colors, even the fonts, and just like how they're designed. Just a really nice, sleek, minimalistic cleaning product that is natural and actually works. So yeah, I cannot say enough good things. There will be the link down below. On the topic of cleaning and my kind of cleaning routine that I do during the week, something that I do kind of on a day-to-day basis is to try to keep things in their designated spot, just so that things don't get overwhelming at the end of the week and there's like lots of stuff everywhere. So for example, if I'm in a room and I see that there's like maybe a teacup in the office or some clothes in the bedroom or something like that, I just take that as I leave the room and I put it back. The clothes will go back into the wardrobe, the teacup will go into the dishwasher, and that way it's not like overwhelming at the end of the week and we need to like put away all these things at once. I feel like if you split it up into like small segments each day, it's a lot more manageable, and it kind of just starts to become like second nature. Like I don't even have to really think about it now. So that's more of like an easy everyday kind of thing. And then of course, you guys probably know I love to have things organized in drawers, in my wardrobe, in the kitchen, in the office, and things like that. But life happens, you guys. It's not always like beautiful when you open every single drawer in this apartment, but when it does get to a point where it's like overwhelming, I actually enjoy it. Like I enjoy putting on a podcast or some good music or an audiobook, just taking everything out, sorting out what I need, what I can let go of, what I can donate, giving it a good clean, and then putting everything back in a better way. To me, there's something just very therapeutic and relaxing about that. Let me know if you guys feel the same. But I feel like when I do that, the energy just shifts. It just feels so good. So that's obviously not something that I do on a day-to-day basis, but maybe like once a month I'll kind of pick a place, and that's something that I genuinely enjoy doing. Okay, it's a little bit later and I'm so happy right now. We just got very exciting furniture delivery. These are 2 chairs that are going to be going over there in this area, and this is our new TV / sideboard. It's actually very similar to the one that we have right now, but it's in this beautiful, deep, rich wood color. I think this is going to go a lot better here in our apartment with the other wood details that we have. We've also got this table here that is also in this beautiful wood, and we also got this new piece right here. This is so beautiful. This is also another sideboard, and this is going to be going here in our entryway. It's going to be replacing this piece right here. This carpet is also new. These are all from Westwing. I really love this carpet. This is actually an indoor and outdoor carpet, so even if it gets, you know, stains on it, it's like one of those carpets that you can clean easily. So I think it's perfect for an entryway carpet, you know, when you come in with like wet or muddy shoes. Okay, the chairs are in and I love them. They look so good. I feel like it makes such a difference in the space. It really opens it up, and I love the wooden details. And I think once the sideboard goes in here, it's gonna really just tie everything together. But I cannot put this by myself right now. It's way too heavy, so I need to wait for Mo to get back so he can help me with that. But wow, that looks so nice. So a little bit later for dinner, I made us this really nice chicken and rice soup. It was so nice and warming and just cozy, just a perfect kind of fall dinner. So first I'm just chopping up the vegetables. I did some white onion, celery, and carrot. And I'm just adding all of those into a large pot that has some olive oil at the bottom. I also put in a few cloves of fresh garlic. And then I'm just letting that saute for a few minutes until the onions get a little bit translucent and golden. And as that is sauteing, I am just chopping up the parsley. This is gonna add so much flavor and just deliciousness to the soup. And then heading back to the pot, I'm adding in the organic chicken breast and just seasoning it with a little bit of black pepper and salt. Then I'm adding in about 1 cup of rice and some chicken broth on top. And then just stirring that around a little bit, I'm going to bring it to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. And after that, I'm going to take the chicken breast out and just shred it with 2 forks and then add it back into the soup. I I noticed that the soup needed a little bit more liquid, so I added in some more water, and then I added in the fresh parsley, give it all a good stir, and it is ready to eat. So delicious. I will have the recipe down below in the description box for you guys. Just a really nice, like, wholesome, cozy fall dinner that is so nice and warming and really, really delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.